So, you want to learn more about Flexfab? That's great. Flexfab has been an outstanding place to work since Doug DeCamp opened the doors in 1961, and we don't ever want that to change. We built a great work environment based on core values that we call HEARTS: honesty, excellence, accountability, respect, teamwork, and support. I know what you're thinking, but that's the kind of thing you expect to hear from an executive, isn't it? Do we really live it out? Well, let's go ask the people who work here.
I'm Bill Haywood, and I've worked at Flexfab for 28 years.
I'm Joshua Haywood. I've been at Flexfab for just over 3 years.
My name is Tim Larson. I've worked here for 40 years.
My name is Scott Larson, and I've worked here for almost 7 years.
My name is Matt Larson, and I worked at Flexfab for 4 years.
I grew up around Flexfab, and in first grade told Dad that wanted to come work in the cubicle across from his, because I could just see how important the company was to him. Since I've been here for 3 years, it's been amazing to see how I've been challenged and encouraged and continually prompted to grow.
Those looking to progress their career have access to our leadership training class, Flexfab Foundations. Flexfab will customize your personal development plan based on your goals. If your personal development goals include higher education, Flexfab offers 100% tuition reimbursement and other off-site training.
For over 55 years, Flexfab has been investing in the Barry County community. The Barry County United Way greatly appreciates their engagement in the 34 programs operated by 21 agencies that address the issues of income, health, and education. Through volunteering, you have fed the hungry, built the camps, and engaged youth in mentorship. Thank you, Flexfab. You make our community a better place every day.
Imagine hitting the lakes in a kayak for an hour after work, or grabbing a group of friends for a run over lunch. We found that healthy and active employees are typically happier, more productive, and even tend to enjoy their work more. Because of this, we decided to incorporate some fitness options into our company's culture. We offer walking groups, kayaking groups, yoga classes, a free qualifying gym membership, and much more. We also know that healthcare is an important factor for most people when they're considering employment. This is why we offer 3 of the best and most competitive healthcare benefit plans for our employees and their families.
You've heard from our team and the community leaders we support. We are committed to our community, our culture, and building our teams with the best and the brightest. That's why we put the HEARTS values in place, and that's why we invest so much into our people. On behalf of the DeCamp family and the worldwide Flexfab team, thank you for spending a few minutes with us today.